Today we're going to learn another grammar structure, which is 是不是 structure. Okay, it's pretty much similar as the one we learned yesterday. First, let's have a quick review of the vocab. So please say this with me to see if you can recognize the characters. So this one is what? 是, right? It has two meanings. The first one is yes. The second one is to be. Okay, so yes, to be, like 是我是中国人. So 是 first 是 is yes. And the second one, 我是中国人. This 是 means to be. Here means am, right? Am is are. They are all to be, so it can be used. 是 can be used for this. And this one is 哪. It's a question word, means which, right? 哪, the third tone. And this one is 国. What is the meaning? It's a country, right? So here it's like a country with a king in it. And this one looks like what? 人, right? It's a person or people. 人. And this one is 不, right? It looks like a mushroom or something. So 不 means no or not. So if you say 不是, that means not to be, right? And this one is a country. Look at this one. It's like central. It's in the center of this character, right? It's separated evenly. So it's 中国, it's China. This one is 美国, right? American. And this one is 英国, England. So how to say British? So remember, country plus 人, that would be 英国人. Okay, how about the American people, person? That would be 美国人. How about Chinese person? That would be 中国人, right? How about this one? 加拿大, it's Canada. So how to say Canadian? That would be 加拿大人. Okay, now let's first have a review of the structure we learned yesterday. So first, how to say this? I am American. So you can just translate this literally. That will be 我是美国人. Don't forget 人, because you are not a country, right? So 我是美国人. This one is 我是中国人, right? 我是中国人. So here's the structure about how to tell about your nationalities. That will be 我是 structure plus country plus 人. Okay, like 我是加拿大人. Okay, so how to say you are American? That will be 你是美国人, right? 你是美国人. This one will be 他是中国人, right? Okay, now let's look at this one. 你是美国人 again. So how to ask about a question? So we need a question word because it's kind of a yes or no question. So what kind of question word we need? That is 吗, right? Just put it at the end of this sentence. That will be 你是美国人吗? So it means, are you American? So how to make this sentence? So you're gonna to use 吗 again. So that will be 你是加拿大人吗? Right? 你是加拿大人吗? So how to answer it for this question? 你是美国人吗? If yes, let's do a complete one. That will be 是，我是美国人. So for it, let's make a question. So are you Canadian? That will be 你是加拿大人吗? So if the answer is yes, that will be 是，我是加拿大人, right? Okay, for this one. So another question. 你是美国人吗? If the answer is no, and you are British. So how to say this? So 你是美国人吗? So 不是, right? Not. 我不是美国人. I'm not American. 我是英国人。So here you can say 不是，我不是美国人，我是英国人。Okay, today so we're going to learn another way to ask this question. 你是美国人吗? We have already learned this. And then we're going to learn another structure. 是不是 structure. Just make sure you read it several times by yourself. 是不是,是不是,是不是 until you are familiar with this that all together. Okay? So it means to be or not. To be or not. Okay, let's see this sentence. So, 你是不是美国人? So actually the meaning of these two questions are same. So the first one is, are you American? So this one, if you put the meaning into it, thus, it will be, you are American or not. We like we say in English, we put this in at the end, okay? Or it will be weird to put them together in this sentence in English, like you are or you are not American. If you like to translate this way, that's fine. Okay, so you are American or not. So actually, do you think they are kind of similar questions? You just different way, right? So this one, 是不是, it provides option, right? You are or you are not. So 你是不是美国人? So how to answer them? Actually, the answers are same. So like yes, I am, or no, I'm not. 不是，我不是美国人，我是中国人。I'm a Chinese. Like this. Okay. So you can see the meaning here. You can see the meaning here. So 你是美国人吗 equals to 你是不是美国人？I know you guys don't say English like this way, but this kind of structure is very, very common in China. So you make sure you understand it. You can say it also. Okay. And here is the thing that you need to pay attention. Okay, be careful with this. So when you use you use 是不是 structure. I know it's kind of a yes or no question, but you don't use ma. Only for this question, you put ma after the statement. And when you use a 是不是 structure, there is no ma at the end. So you either use ma without 是不是, or you use 是不是 without ma. Okay, this is very important. Just don't forget about this. Write this down. Okay, now let's look at this. So are you Canadian? So you have already know how to ask about this. So 你是加拿大人吗? So another way to ask this question is like, are you Canadian or not? How to say this? That will be 你是不是加拿大人? Just say 是不是 structure a lot of times when you use this, you just put this whole thing together. Okay, though it means like to be or not to be. It's not like English, you separate it. It's a whole thing in here. Okay, 是不是? So you are or you're not Canadian, like this. 你是不是加拿大人? So pay attention, there is no ma at the end of this sentence. Okay, now let's practice. So how about let's ask, are you British or not? How to say this? Try it by yourself. That will be 你是不是英国人? That's it. No ma. Okay? 你是不是英国人? Did you get it? Okay, now let's use this structure on this one. So you know this guy, Jackie Chan, right? So let's use 他 for Jackie Chan, he. Okay? So if I want to ask, is he Chinese or not? How to say this? Do it by yourself. That will be 他是不是中国人? Right? So definitely the answer is yes. How to do it in complete sentence? That will be 是他是中国人. Okay, let's put them together. 他是不是中国人? 是他是中国人. So this is the complete little conversation. Okay. Okay, now let's do this one. So you know this guy, Mr. Bean, and he's very funny. Okay, so you know he's a British, right? So now let's use ta again. Okay, is he British or not? So how to say this? It will be, let's say this together. 他是不是英国人？ So the answer will be yes, he is, right? He is English. That will England, British. So that will be 是，他是英国人 right? Okay. Oh, Justin Bieber. Let's try this one. So how to ask about is he American or not? And then let's answer it. So you know he's not, right? He's Canadian. Now let's do this. 他是不是美国人 right? So the answer is no, he is not American. He is Canadian. How to do this? 不是，他不是美国人，他是加拿大人 right? Okay, now let's do this again. Put them together. 他是不是美国人？不是，他不是美国人，他是加拿大人。Okay, good. Here is the assignment for today. So pretty much the same as what we did yesterday. So write down these two conversations in characters. Okay, pay attention in characters. Then read them and record. Okay, and for the characters, you need to take a picture of the characters you get, and then send a picture to me also. Okay, and then send the record to me also. So first, the conversation is, are you Chinese or not? So make sure you use the 是不是 structure and pay attention to the thing that I told you, okay? So what we don't have at the end of the sentence. And yes, I am Chinese. Answer it. And then do another one. Are you American or not? So no, I'm not American. I'm Canadian. So just do the same thing and send me the picture and the video record.